Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week ending July 19th, major indexes were mixed, with the Nasdaq the biggest loser, as investors grappled with the geopolitical and economic events of the week. Retail and food services sales were higher than expected in June, but flat compared to May. Import prices were unchanged in June after declining 0.2% in May. The housing market index was lower than expected, coming in at 42, as high mortgage rates, along with elevated construction and development loans, continued to put a damper on builder sentiment. Industrial production increased by more than expected 0.6% in June, with production of utilities being the strongest sector. Housing starts increased 3% in June, due to a 22% increase in multifamily housing starts of 5 units or more. Building permits were also higher in June, up 3.4%, but down 3.1% compared to last June. The Conference Board Leading Economic Index fell by 0.2% in June, citing the decline continued to be fueled by gloomy consumer expectations, weak new orders, negative interest rate spreads, and an increased number of initial claims for unemployment. For the week ending July 13th, initial jobless claims increased by 20,000 to 243,000. Year-to-date, the Dow is up 6.9%, the S&P is up 15.4%, and the Nasdaq is up 18.1%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.24%. Oil closed at $80.40 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,398.03 an ounce, with silver closing at $29.22 an ounce. For this week of July 22nd, Tuesday we'll get existing home sales data. Wednesday, new home sales will be reported. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, durable goods orders, advanced retail and wholesale inventories, and second quarter GDP data. And on Friday, personal income, personal spending, the PCE price index, and consumer sentiment all will be reported. The PCE price index, or personal consumption expenditures index, is a measure of the prices people pay for goods and services. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a complimentary financial plan. Call for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.